Hey, welcome back to my channel today. Oh my gosh, I'm eating ice cream. Yeah, I wanted to film this makeup look in all natural lighting, so that's what I did. I hope it came out good. Wait up, this airplane go by. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look. Pretty simple. It's like an orange, very warm eyeshadow look, which I really do love. It was my first time using this palette, which I told you guys I was going to use some of these palettes that I got from Hush. I'll link that video down below too, as well as how I got my hair like this. I did a hair tutorial on this look that I just posted yesterday. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. So first, I'm going to start off with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love this spray so much. I like to set and prep my face with this. And then I like to go in with my NYX Angel Veil Primer, which I also love. Like, oh my gosh, I love it. I was drawing shapes on my face, y'all. I drew like a heart, a smiley face, and some other stuff. But yeah, then you want to just blend it. Oh, I had to take down my hair too, y'all. I got a hair tutorial on this hairstyle, but anyways, I'll link it down below. But yeah, just blend this out, and it does leave like a white cast on my face at first, but it'll be over with when I put on the foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Clinique Concealer and Foundation. It's in the color Amber, and I'm just going to be taking my brush and just blending it out. I freaking love this brush. I think it's from BH Cosmetics. No, I don't know. I was dancing to some music, y'all. I should really do a lit playlist because my playlist really is popping. I usually do my eyebrows first, but this time I happened to do them last because I forgot to do them. But I'm going to be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony, and it's like almost a darker shade, but I'm using a Morphe brush to do them, and here I am still dancing. But yeah, I didn't want to speed this part up that fast because I wanted you guys to see how I do my eyebrows, and I'm only going to do one of them because I do the other one the exact same. Next, I'm going to use this concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, I believe, but I don't really like how it looked. It was kind of too light, but it ended up working anyway. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't put foundation where I put the concealer. I wanted to try something new and see if it'd be like, feel different, and it did. It felt much lighter than putting foundation all over my face and putting concealer on top. But yeah, now y'all about to hear what I was listening to.
Big guap, 10 white toes, and them Tory flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. Just for my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Does not make you a friend of me. Girl, so weird, straight clear, I'm living drama free.
Yeah, I was trying to film in natural lighting because I'm icy, wifey. Haters when I fight me. So I already blended out the concealer. And now I'm just taking my foundation brush and just blending around the concealer so there won't be any harsh lines. And now I'm going to set my face with the Airspun translucent powder in the color Honey Beige. I like this powder sometimes I don't. It works sometimes. Like sometimes it's my friend, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it be tripping. But yeah, I'm just setting everywhere where I put the concealer, and I'm also setting my eyebrows. I always set my eyebrows when I use the Anastasia Dip Brow. Now I'm setting the rest of my face with the L'Oreal powder. And now I'm going to start on eyeshadow, which I was struggling trying to show you how the palette because the sun started peeking out. But this is the palette that I'm using. It's from Hush. And I did a Hush haul, by the way. But I'm going to take this color. And I did not expect it to be this pigmented, y'all. Like, it was really pigmented. But I wasn't mad at it. But I just wasn't expecting it. So I'm just going to blend out in my crease first. And this is such a pretty color. I love orange, reds, warm colors. I love it all. I love it all. I love it all. I love it all on eyeshadows. Then I'm gonna take this deeper color and put it like in my inner corner and in my outer corner of my eye. I really didn't know what I was gonna do with this look, y'all. I just wanted to do something, so I just was doing something, trying to look all cute and all that. Next, we're gonna take this orange color, which is like my favorite color ever. Like, oh my gosh, I love this color, and just put that in the center of my lid. Y'all, this color really is so pretty. Like, this made the look. Like, I really do love this color. And now I'm gonna dust off that translucent powder and had hair on my eye, but I'm gonna dust off the translucent powder from everywhere. I'm gonna contour next with my Black Radiant contour palette, medium to dark. So you just contour my face with this. Next, I'm gonna explain what I did because the lighting just kept getting weird, so I had to back and just do some makeup off camera. But I'm gonna explain to y'all what I did. I put on some lashes and I put on some highlighter as well. What else did I do? And I put like the eyeshadow that I put on the top of my lid, on my lower lid. And then I put, let me show y'all, trim in my inner corner. The one at the top. I can't even point to it, but the one way over there. The second one on the top row, next to the gold color. Then the highlighter that I use is this Kiko one in the color 200. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm about to set it back up because if I go stand over there, y'all, it's gonna look crazy because the sun is like already about to set. So like it's gonna be all sunny and that just don't look good to me. I don't know what lip color I wanna do, y'all. But y'all, I freaking love this eyeshadow look though. That's what I do know. These lashes are from the dollar store, y'all, by the way. I stacked 2 of the same lashes. And I always stack my lashes, but I wear these like every day. Anytime I've been doing makeup lately, this is what I've been having on. So if you have me on Snapchat, you're like, girl, what I should be wearing? These ones. I have to show y'all my lip color from right here because up there the sun is just way too bright. MAC lip liner in the color chestnut. Okay, why is it zoomed in? I'm gonna be using MAC lip liner in the color chestnut. Okay, I already put some on, but I'm using the Wet n Wild lipstick in the color 913B. Alright, I'm gonna go fix it and add. I'm gonna add some more liner to it. It's hard doing it like this. Y'all, I kinda don't feel like this lip actually goes with this look. What you guys think? But I'm gonna go ahead and take some tissue and like, what you guys think? When I put on the eyelash, it like, I kinda got glue on this lid, so it probably look weird. Hey, welcome back to my channel today. These are fire. My favorite ice cream, y'all. This and the Mississippi mug. Bomb. Hey, welcome back to my channel today. I'm gonna be showing you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, the lighting got kind of weird at the end of the video because the sun was like beaming and it started setting, so it started like beaming through my window. But I wanted to do this video with all natural lighting. I think that's how I want to start doing most of my videos, just do all natural lighting. I feel like it's just better this way. You can really see the makeup in natural lighting. I really hope I didn't have any of the ice cream chocolate on my teeth while I was talking, or on my lip this whole time, or any white ice cream on my lips. I really hope not.